is not a good day. Horrible. But some things that I have bet on. Now, I said I was going to bet on anything. Well, not anything. Things with Founders Fund connections. Open Door CEO has deep ties with the man Peter Thiel. And you got BLND, not a plummet. That is, everything is down horribly. BLND and OPEN, they're looking okay. And BLND, they made that announcement, 7 out of 10 of the top banking institutions are going to be using their AI mortgage stuff. I don't know why it does that. But I'm confident on BLND, I swear. And OPEN. OPEN, this gives me confidence that the day is just a massacre. And these two founder fund connections, I don't know, call me crazy. Call me a hopeless romantic. And then, of course, I'm going to say these mining companies. Knock down a lot today, but Knock's waiting on that Pebblebrook project. And another little penny mine that I've had my eye on this motherfucker for the longest time. Since, like, way earlier in the fall when they're saying the stuff about the rare earths and the China beef and whatnot. This company has rare earth deep in the heart of Texas. And Trump's mineral stuff, if there's one thing he's going to do, it's a tariff. It's another thing he's going to do, drill baby drill. I don't know. Then you got NB. That was another one. It shot up today. Could have been a nice little swing, but they have copper. They got the rare earth. I don't know. Then you got TMQ. Another one. They were holding for a little. And then those would be my 4 penny stock mining bets. All right. And then, this one. Got a drone guy. Drone in a box, baby. They were holding. They're just barely down. Because when people started protesting, I know what they do. They bring out the drones. And ONDS, these drones, United Arab Emiratis, of course, any United Arab Emirati connection, just because America's going to be in a recession doesn't mean the sheiks and the monarchs are going to be in a recession. That's for sure. OPTT could be another little bet on that. Because, oh, Jesus Christ. God. Companies that have Saudi Emirati connections. I don't know. I'm going to be hopeful on. Same with my baby Archer. My baby Archer is just a fallen. Oh, God. If I had money, I'd buy some Archer. I swear to God I would. Let's see if they go to 5. That'd be surprising. I'd be surprised if Archer gets to 5 range, but you never know with the dear leader. And then, I got a bet here, okay? Now, I talked about this stock last week. It came across my desk. And when I brought this stock up last week, it was at 0.0009. Now, 0.0036, okay? And this might not seem like anything, right? But I'm betting on this. I really am. I'm betting on the SPAC deal. That Emil, the new CEO, dude put down $54 billion of his own money for this. This is a micro penny shell company. He restructured the debt there and everything. I don't know. I think that Mr. Emil is a cruising for a deal, a merger. I have no idea what kind of company would want to get on the market, get on the exchange in this freaking hellscape. But if Emil can come through and find a company, and he's done it before. The man has done it before. 54% ownership of this company he has. I don't know. I'm just going to bet that billionaires didn't get to be billionaires by making dumbass bets like I do. This is the one he made. I mean, obviously, it's a terrible look right now. But he took this from a penny stock to, yeah, he did that. Emil did that. So if Emil can do something with 2 hands, the annoying thing about this one, though, if you want to get in it, it's got to be on a Charles Schwab type, and they are going to charge you a commission. Fucking cocksuckers. But And you know what else? He didn't do a reverse split. They had a recent shareholder meeting, and he said he seems like he cares about the shareholders. I don't know. He said they wouldn't do any reverse splits. Successful debt to equity. I don't know. I got some faith in this. That could be a Powerball ticket in the midst of an absolute massacre.